Hello, so this is my uni ACU where I'm doing my Master of Teaching, Early Childhood and Primary. Our last day in Melbourne City, getting our 7-Eleven coffee.
Paparazzi down you, Jord, run. There's Jord, waiting. And I'm getting a coffee. What at the Immigration Museum? Immigrant? Immigration Museum. I don't know, should we follow them? We're going that way anyway. Okay, shredded. Look at the tram in the background. Doing a porridge for breakfast.
I meant to take photos of that.
Here we are in Melbourne, having our sky breakfast.
$6 an hour for parking, and we're at the beach. Only Melbourne prices. So there's our Juicy Crib campervan. We've just picked up the car from St Kilda. We're now seeing the Brighton bathing houses and commencing our road trip.
There's Spirit of Tasmania, visible from the famous Brighton Beach. There's the jellyfish.
We're driving the Juicy Crib. Tim's doing a really good job. We're driving to Phillip Island.
So George, you just spent about 3 hours reading the gift shop. Tell me one thing you learned about clothes. Anything. Oh, you do something. Do something. We came from Holshead, bro. Do you know how far away that is? Oi! Good morning.
Good morning.
It's like a teenager.
We'll bring you some breakfast. Get your leaves.
I want to feed it.
Oh, Tim.
I think I have some Snickers.
What did they do all day?
You're looking at it, Jord.
Eat,
Poop.
poop, sleep.
Make baby. Good morning. Wake up. That's how I sit.
Yeah, it is.
I see you too. What you looking at?
There's a third one I spotted.
Staring accommodation area. I reckon it's going through its brain right now. Thanks, guys. Oh, they've crossed the road. Oh no, don't get him on the road. Seriously, guys.
No.
No, that wasn't cool. Guys, naughty.
I actually think I could.
Don't do that.
So we're stuck in the rain. We've just chilled, had some afternoon tea. Delicious Australian biscuits with the best view while we wait for the penguins. Yo, penguins! Wake up! It's too far to go to other places, so we're just chilling. Too much. I can't do it.
That bird must feel hell strong.
Not, this is the car. We struggled to get the bed made, but eventually we did it.